Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have been watching my videos and you have subscribed to my channel. Today I have came with a very exciting video which is about the SEO game. So in this video I will be discussing about the top newly launched AI-based SEO tools. By using these tools, you can simply level up your game, and your videos and your content can be easily indexed with uh, in the Google search. And if you are using the YouTube, so by using these video, you can grow your websites, your YouTube channels, etc. So first of all, in this video, I will be discussing 6 SEO tools which are AI powered and are very easy to use. So let's discuss these one by one. So first tool is DIIB. So basically it automates your SEO, and also it benchmarks your website against your competitors, and it is very easy. It only takes 60 seconds to start. So first of all, you have to copy the link of your website, and then you will need to paste it here, and then you will click it, and afterwards you can simply, it will provide you an overview of your website. By using that, you can modify the website settings, and you can SEO search, you can optimize your website, and your website will be indexed in the Google search. So it is saying every day we help over 500,000 members in 160 countries. So just definitely it is being widely used across the globe. So if you use this tool, you can simply uh, improve your content overall. It will attract the uh, traffic to your content, either it's on the YouTube or on the website. If you have any kind of blog, then it is a good choice for you. So after that, the second tool is Rank Faster. So I will try to paste these links in the description. So if you don't know, you can follow these links. So the second one is the Rank Faster. So basically this is Can I Rank. Okay, this is its name is Can I Rank. Its purpose is to rank your websites in the Google, or index these in the top searches. So you are most probably you are aware of the benefit of the optimizing your websites. So it's simple to use. Simply it is saying that by using this, your traffic will increase 853%, and definitely it is a very well suited and good choice if you want to rank your websites. And this is AI powered website. You can also they also provide SEO consultancy. They have various case studies on the SEO, and this is also a good choice. The next one is KI World Tool. So KI World Tool is normally being used by many YouTubers. I also use this to rank my YouTube videos, but now I'm not using these tools. So if you want to, it provides you with the variety of keywords. So if you are using Google, then you will enter your title here, and it will provide you top keywords across the globe. You see that here you can select the countries. It will provide me the top ranked keywords which are being used worldwide. So if I want to create tags for my YouTube video, then I will simply click on it. If I am using Bing, Amazon, eBay, and App Store, Google Play, Instagram, X, which is basically Twitter, Pinterest, and Etsy, TikTok, and many others. And this has been widely trusted by the Adobe and eBay and Uber, Shopify, Microsoft. All of these companies have been using this. So keyword tool is a my personal experiences on keyword tool. It is a very good tool to rank your websites, or you add include tags in your YouTube videos. So it is easy to use. You can simply go to this link and follow their procedures. You will be able to use it. So the next one is Pro Rank Tracker is also AI enabled tool. They also offer a demo. If you want to book a demo, you can try their, you can experience their premier version. So mostly it is for 7 days. So you can also try their free features as well. So it also provide SEO services. So you can simply it provides tracking, analyzing, and reporting. So first of all, it will track your website, then it will analyze, and after that, it will prepare a report that what kind of changes are required, and after that, you can simply make it. So it is a good to use tool. So definitely, it is. They have also many. Awards: high performer in Europe, high performer in 2023, high performer small business. Basically, all of these are startups, and you should be using these. I personally recommend that. So the next one is Ink for All. Ink for All is also a AI-enabled platform, and its enterprise version is available in the $99 per month, and its professional version is available at the price of $39 per month. So you can also use its free trial. It is for AI writing, SEO articles. You can create unlimited AI images, and you can also perform keyword research and clustering, and it is available in 20 plus languages. So I guess uh, it is better to try this my free trial. So what kind of services? I hope you have an overview of this tool. So in 7 days, 24,000 accounts have been using this tool. So I think it's a good it. You can also use it for copywriting or content creation, as you use chat gpt, etc., etc. So in its demo, you can simply click on this: AI research, AI clustering, AI based writing, AI SEO, AI shield, AI assistant, AI images. It do alls. Okay, so simply you have to click on this and you will be enjoying its tutorial. The next one is Surfer. So okay, what was this? Okay, okay, so AI image generation, you can simply click on it and start working on it. And after that, the next one is Surfer. Surfer SEO, basically its link is the Surfer SEO. So to use Surfer, it is saying that skyrocket your organic traffic with the Surfer. So definitely it also does the same work for the SEO. You can simply write the title of your video, and it will provide you what is the volume and what is the competition for this. And also it will help you with the tags, and it will help you to identify any niche in which you want to work. So also it provides the AI based, next generation AI based writing. So very good. This tool is also AI enabled and very emerging tool. So let's see what are their plans. So okay, they have four different plans, which is essential, advanced, maximum, and enterprise. Okay, for very large agencies and enterprises, they have this plan. This is a custom plan in which you can have multiple options to choose in between. Okay, so the essential plan is in 69. Okay, dollars. So 180 content editor credits per year, and two person can use this account, and there are 180 content editors. I guess this is a expensive choice, but I hope they have a free demo in it. So there is a possibility that they provide you with the free demo. So if there is not any, then I don't think so that this is a better choice. So this one was my last tool. So by summarizing this tool, I have discussed 6 SEO tools